I'm not here to say immersion is bad. Immersion is great. Living in a Spanish-speaking country is one of the best things you can do to start learning Spanish, 100%. But does it trump actually deliberately studying Spanish in your own time on the internet where you can get access to any piece of native Spanish content? Of course not. Like the week that I was in Spain was more like the tests that I had studied for previously. But it wasn't what actually taught me Spanish, if that makes sense. And so what taught me Spanish was the deliberate learning. What sort of showed my Spanish was, the conversation and sort of immersion with the native Spanish family. And so it wasn't the country that got me fluent. It was one specific thing that I did in Sweden, in my bedroom, on my laptop that got me fluent. And so it's intent. Okay, intentional learning, intentional pattern recognition is how you get fluent. It's not passive immersion, okay? And so this notion that you can just move to another country and you'll get fluent is just not true, okay? And so, like, if you're going to travel to another Spanish-speaking country, that's great. It's going to give you benefits, yes. But the benefits will only be reaped if you do it with intent. And if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods, and you'll find it in the first link in the description.